Ever wished Lightroom could do just a little more? Well, it can, and today, we're unlocking that power with plugins. First things first, you need to get your hands on the plugin file itself. This typically involves downloading it from a website. These files often have extensions like plugin or plugin, making them easy to spot. Once you have the file, open Lightroom and navigate to the File menu at the very top. From the drop-down, you'll find the Plugin Manager. Click on it to open the Plugin Control Center. Inside the Plugin Manager, you'll see a list of your currently installed plugins. To add a new one, look for an Add or Plus button. Clicking this will open up your computer's File Explorer. Now, simply browse to where you saved your downloaded plugin file, select it, and then click the Choose or Open button. Lightroom will then process and install the plugin for you. Once installed, your new plugin will appear in the Plugin Manager list, usually marked as active or enabled. This confirms it's ready to supercharge your workflow. Now, where do you find your plugin's new features? Many plugins integrate directly into the File menu under a new section called Plugin Extras, giving you quick access to their unique tools. Other plugins might appear as new options within the Export dialog, extending your output capabilities, or seamlessly integrate into specific modules like Develop or Print with their own dedicated panels or buttons. Plugins truly extend Lightroom's capabilities, offering specialized editing tools, advanced export options, and even seamless integration with other software directly from your Lightroom catalog. By following these simple steps, you've just unlocked a whole new dimension of creativity and efficiency within Lightroom. Experiment with different plugins and discover how it can elevate your photography.